Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has issued a response to Congress MPs who were calling for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit violence-hit Manipur. The Finance Minister highlighted that during the Manipur Naga-Kuki clash in 1993, BJP MP of the time, Sushma Swaraj, never called for the time's Prime Minister to visit the state. Nirmala Sitharaman further asked the opposition party if the time's Prime Minister and Home Minister took part in the debate for Naga-Kuki clash during the Parliament session in 1993. Furthermore, she highlighted that Union Home Minister Amit Shah visited Manipur for 3 days amid the conflict, and that Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityananda Rai also stayed in Manipur for 3 months in an effort to resolve the issue. Nirmala Sitharaman also called Congress party as a hypocrite while stating that Manipur suffered more during Congress's time. She maintained that former Chief Minister Okrami Bobi even admitted that bunds amounting to around 628 days occurred during his tenure.
In 1993, when Rajkumar Dorendra Singh of the Congress was the Chief Minister of Manipur, a major flare-up between Kukis and Nagas happened between April and December 1993. 750 deaths and destruction of around 350 villages happened in Manipur. At that time, the Prime Minister was P.V. Narasimha Rao and the Home Minister was Shankar Rao Chavan. They did not even participate in the parliamentary debates. So where was Gogoi that time? Where was the Congress party that time? Did they ask them to come and speak? Did they ask them to go to Manipur? No. Similarly, sir, this despite when the violence happened, when people were in camps, Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji went there, spent 3 nights. And after that, I can't see MOS home, Nityanand Rai ji stayed there for 3 months. खुद गए थे और हर कैंप में गए और लोगों से बात की. मगर आपके समय पर आप डिस्कशन पार्लियामेंट में भागीदारी भी नहीं दिखाया और आपके मंत्रीगण नहीं गए और जवाब देने में भी आपको संकोच था. And during the tenure of the Chief Minister of Manipur, Congress leader Ibobi Singh admitted that Manipur witnessed 628 bunds during his period. Blockades during the last 15 years from 1995 till June 2010 under Congress in center and Congress in state, causing huge loss to the tune of 2,828 crore in the state. So the possible worst blockade in Manipur happened in 2011, lasting over 120 days, causing severe shortages of essential commodities. Petrol prices were beyond 200 per litre. LPG costed 2,000 rupees per cylinder, and this was during their time, both in Manipur and in the central government. So with this kind of a neglect, I hope Congress party doesn't speak about Manipur as to who's witnessing, who's going, who's not.